DrugQuery. It's an application built for pharmacists, doctors, and healthcare providers dealing with medicines manufactured, marketed, and recalled in Canada. DrugQuery provides comprehensive drug information about all human and veterinary drugs along with products monographs. DrugQuery is a bilingual multi-platform application, supporting both English and French languages and is available on Android, iOS, macOS, Linux, Unix, and Windows platforms. Once installed, DrugQuery provides 30 days free trial. After that, users need to subscribe to it. The user can query the drug database using DIN, Drug Information Number, ATC, Anatomical Therapeutic Chemical, UPC, and many other available fields. It allows the user to scan the drug UPC barcode directly using the mobile device. The user can save and share drug queries with anyone, using any digital media exchange applications and platforms. For any latest data updates, the application will ask the user to update it, hence keeping itself up to date. Download and install DrugQuery from drugquery.ca/downloads today on your smart devices for efficiently dispensing drugs to your patients. Let's work together to improve the health and quality of life of your patients and help us save lives. Because saving one human life is like saving whole humanity.